we've made a lot together. Bridges that connect our neighborhoods, structures that support our connectivity, waterways that protect our most precious resources. We proudly deliver our best to the contractors and engineers who know our products perform everywhere because they're needed everywhere. We've made filters, grates, and trenches. We've made walls and enclosures. And we've made stormwater systems for whatever Mother Nature sends our way. Our products make it possible for millions of people to stream their favorite shows, get to work, and share life's joyous moments. For 40 years, we've made business decisions that scale our foundation without sacrificing strength. We've made safer working environments to get you home, and with the ones who matter most. Yes, we've made a lot together, but we're built for so much more. By making the structures that give structure to our lives, we're built to transform communities. By believing natural resources demand our attention, we're built to conserve the planet. And by solving today's challenges with tomorrow in mind, we're built to better the future for our company, for our industry, and for every living thing that depends on the vast infrastructures we make possible. There's still much work to be done. The tasks may seem small and the effort unnoticed. The material can't tell us where it's headed or how many people will feel its significance. But every drop of water, every gig of data, every vault we make and cable we cover matters. We're makers by trade, but carry a purpose far greater than the materials we use. Together, we're entering a new era, one marked by a new name and a clear vision. One CRH company bound to millions of people through better products, superior systems, and the idea that massive impact is what we stand for. In fact, it's what we're built for. We're built for life. We are Oldcastle Infrastructure.